Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last two videos we discussed letter writing, formal letter and friendly letter. In today's video we shall discuss notice writing. Question number 3 deals with notice and email. In today's video we shall discuss notice writing, how to write a correct notice writing. So when you want to answer notice writing, when you want to write an effective notice writing, you must answer 4 questions. What, when, where and whom. If you are able to answer these 4 questions properly, you will be able to get definitely 5 on 5 in the board examination. So what is this what is this when, where and whom? So notice has got 5 marks totally, 5 marks. So let us divide that 5 marks into different categories. So what has 2 marks, when has 1 mark, where has 1 mark, whom has 1 mark. So totally 5 marks. So what carries 2 marks, when carries 1 mark, where carries 1 mark and whom carries 1 mark. So what are these what, when, where, whom and all? Let us discuss in detail. So what is title of the notice, 1 mark, and another mark name of the event, 1 mark. So some of you had commented on the lighting issue. So unfortunately I'm still unable to set right the lighting problem. Please bear with me another 2 to 3 videos. By then I'll somehow try to sort it out. Okay, what has title and name of the event? Title has 1 mark, name of the event has 1 mark. When you can divide when into 2 different particles. One is date, half a mark, and time, half a mark. Then where is the location. So here there are 2 smaller location, half mark, and big location, half mark. I'll tell you when we write a notice writing. Okay. So whom is the target, the audience. Whom are we writing? Whom are we writing this notice to? Okay. So notice, if you want to write a notice effectively, you must answer 4 questions. Those questions are what, when, where and whom. I have given you the marks allotment for each of the question. So what has 2 particles, one is title and one is name of the event. Okay. When has 2 particles, one is date and one is time, and half a mark each. And where has 2 particles, single particle, that is location. Even in the location you have to mention smaller and bigger location. And whom is the target audience, whom are we writing this notice to. So we will discuss one by one. First let us go to title. How to set a title for a notice. Okay. Let me give you a question. Your school is planning to conduct an inter-house debate competition. Write a notice to the class 10th, 9 and 10 students. The question is very clear. Inter-house debate competition. Target is class 9 and 10 students. Okay, first thing is title. How a title should be written. Title should always be very catchy. It should be very catchy. It should be attractive. These are the criteria to write a proper title. A title must always be very catchy. It should be a phrase. It should not be a sentence. It can be a phrase or a word. It can be a phrase or a word. Do not make it a sentence. And see to that this title is English. It is not non-English word or non-English phrase. Okay. These 4 points keep in mind while writing a title. It should be catchy. It should either be a phrase or a word, and it should definitely be in English. Okay, these are the 4 criteria you must follow when you write a proper title. So for the question, I shall write a title now. So we had said inter-house debate competition. Let me write War of Words. This is the title is set. That is the first component of what. The second component is name of the event. What is the name of the event? Inter-house inter-house debate competition. See the alignment. Please look at the alignment. It is in the center. I have not taken to the left. Imagine this is the margin here, and see to that it is written in the center alignment. Okay, the alignment must be center. So this 1 mark you have got. An inter-house debate competition. It is already there in the question. It is already there in the question. I also advise my students, what do I do is add something to this, because just merely copying from question to the question answer script may not fetch you full mark. So I advise, imagine this is annual inter-house debate competition. Imagine it happens once a year at the end of the year. Maybe you can add an annual inter-house debate competition. Okay, something a little more can be added to get complete marks. Okay, so this is 1 mark and this is 1 mark. 2 marks over. The next is when. When has 2 particles. One is date and time. Date, please keep in mind from the day you write the exam, from then see to that the event is going to be held at least 10 to 12 days later. Imagine today you are writing an exam, you are writing the exam today, you are asked to draft a notice of inter-house debate competition. Today is 9, see to that you are going to write at least after 20th. Okay, after 20th or 21st. Minimum 10 days gap must be there for the event. From the event and the day you write the notice. Okay. The format of writing the letter is, date is, it is exactly the same as what we have learnt in the letter. Imagine today is 9th February 2025. So you want to conduct that inter-house debate competition, and you write at least, let me write on 23rd February 2025. It's in the center. You must add on. It is okay even if you don't write, it still works, but please write. Please write on 23rd February 2025. So today is 9. We have at least 12 days of gap. So date is over. Next is time. When you write time, see to that you write always to timing. You must write to timing. So the timing is around, let's say, from 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to 1 P dot M dot. See, look at this clearly. Here you must be very careful. If it is AM, you must write A dot M dot. If it is PM, you write P dot M dot. Just don't write like this, PM, AM. You will not get marks. You will not get marks. If you use from, use to. If at all you use between, if you use between, let's say, use and. Okay? Do not make mistake. Don't write from and. Between, to. Wrong. Between, you're trying to say from this time, I mean between this time and this time. When you use from this time to this time. Okay, be very careful when you use from and between. And very clear attention should be given here to A dot M dot, P dot M dot. Some of the students do make mistake. When you write 12 o'clock, you must write noon. Don't write PM. It is noon. Do not write PM. And write a plausible timing. Do not write 6 PM to 9 PM. Generally, it cannot be accepted in the evening. It doesn't happen. So write a plausible timing and pay attention to AM and PM. Okay. So always write to timing, the beginning timing and ending time. Okay. So under when, date is over, time is also over. Next is location, where. The third question is where. Where it is going to be held. Where it is going to be held. Let's say, imagine it is a debate competition. Sometimes we have it in the lab, we have it in the auditorium, we have it in the classroom. Sometimes we keep it in the open air theater. So that is a small location. The bigger location would be school, because it is inter-house debate competition, which is going to be held inter-house, in the sense the students of the same school. Okay, imagine if the students are coming from outside, if the students are coming from different schools, you write smaller location as a school year name and write the place of the school, where the school is located, as the bigger location. Okay, we generally keep it like, we have a place in our school, a pre-primary block, where there is a open air theater. I'll write pre-primary block. So you can add at pre-primary block, comma, Warren International School. Okay, so this carries half mark and this carries half mark. See, look at this. Title is in the center, name of the event is in the center, date is in the center, the timing is also in the center, location is also in the center. We have covered 3 questions. What, when, where. The last question is target. Only the target, you must start from the left alignment. See to that, the target is started from here. So let me erase this and write the target here. Okay, when you write target, do not use too many words and go into making errors. Use less of words so that you do not make any gross errors, because when I said there is 1 mark for target, if you make a proper target audience, if you address, you will get half mark. If there are no grammatical errors, only then you get complete 1 mark. Otherwise, you will be penalized at least with half a mark, and you will not get the chance to have that complete 5 mark. You will be short of half a mark. So let me write the target. So as we discussed the question, It is a debate competition, inter-house debate competition for the students of class 9 and 10. See to that this target, this audience is written in passive voice. Always it is written in passive voice. Two things you need to keep in mind. It is written in passive voice. No grammatical error. Three things, sorry. Grammatical error. And you must mention the in charge of the event. Okay. Maybe who is going to take up the in charges of collecting the names at least. Okay. Here an in charge person name or designation must be mentioned. Let me write. Okay. All the interested students of grade 9 and 10 are asked to enroll their names with their respective class teachers on or before. We are going to have the inter-house debate competition on 23rd. Let us give around 4 days. Okay, on or before 17th February 2025. Full stop. That's all. Do not write any history here because you will make mistake when you write too much. Here very clearly it is given all the interested students of grade 9 and 10 in the sense who wish to take part in the inter-house debate competition are asked to enroll their names with their respective class teacher. The in charge person is the respective class teachers. Okay, it is written in passive voice, and we have also given the deadline to enroll their names. Okay, I hope this notice writing is made easy with this video. Practice. Please take up Total English Grammar book or any other workbooks. Get the questions, practice, get catchy titles, list them out, and if you have any doubts, if you feel things have to be helped out, please drop your doubts in the comment box. I shall surely reply. Thank you for watching, and one more thing, I am very happy that you people have supported so much. The channel has reached 2000 subscribers. All credit goes to you only. It is because of you I am able to upload many videos. It is because of your support and encouragement. So I am always indebted to you. Thank you very much for patiently listening to the video. Thank you.